Is the Bitcoin bull market over now with these bearish engulfing patterns? Has the bears taken over into the market? Well, let's go ahead and analyze that in today's video. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crypto Trading World, and in today's video we're going to be discussing technical analysis of Bitcoin and altcoins like Ethereum, EOS and LINK. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and give it a subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and without any further ado, let's get right into our analysis. So let's begin right here with a Bitcoin chart of 4-hour time frame. And first of all, I want to summarize what we were talking about in yesterday's video. Okay, well, we were talking about that if we won't be able to reclaim this level of $11,400, if we won't be able to close at least 4-hour candles above this level, okay, we are soon going to be getting below this level of $11,100. Why? Well, because we did see a lot of touches to this level of $11,100 in the past here, as you guys can see, okay, and with as many as touches, the level becomes weaker and weaker as the number of times the level is touched, okay, retested, it becomes weaker, okay, and as a result, you guys can see here that this level did become weak here and it did break below, okay, the price did break below this level. And also, I was talking to you guys in yesterday's video that if we are going to be breaking below this level of $11,100, we don't really have anything in between here, okay, we just had a void space and no support and all in anything between this level of 11,000 and $10,500 level, okay. So as a result, we can see here that as soon as we break below this level, as the candle did break below this level of 11,100, we did see a $10,500 level, okay. So if you guys did short the break of this level $11,100, congratulations to you. I myself did the short, took the short here, okay, and I did close it at around $10,500 level, okay. But now the question is that, are we still intact in the bull market? Are we still intact in this big bull trend? Okay, are we have we turned bearish into the market? Well, first of all, let's have a look into the futures market cap. What we are seeing here is a tremendous amount of growth in the short positions here. You guys can see here that on all the exchanges there are big number of short positions open as compared to these positions of long, okay. So current market sentiment, the market has turned a lot of bearish for now, okay. So I wouldn't really suggest you guys to go long at these levels of $10,500, okay, because we can see here that the market has turned all over bearish once again, okay. People are shorting the market, people are opening the shorts into the market, okay. So I would really love to do one thing. I would really see the retest of this level of $11,100, okay. And if Bitcoin won't be able to close at least 4-hour candles above this level, I would really, and if we are going to see any kind of bearish price action like bearish engulfing, like evening star patterns in here, or the bearish pin bars, I would really love to short this market again at $11,100, okay. Why? Because as we did see that the break of this major support, a beautiful support which was holding at least for a month now, has broken here, okay. And as this support is broken here, this would now be acting as a resistance for the price of Bitcoin, okay. So if we are going to see a retest here and the bearish price action here, the price getting rejected from this support, I would short this market to this level of $10,500 level. That would be a very good trade, okay. But as for now, I wouldn't really long this level of $10,500, because in the market we are seeing the majority of people are shorts, majority of players and traders are doing short the market. The market has turned into the bearish sentiments, so I wouldn't really long this market at this level of $10,500, okay. But for my long positions, what I want to see here is the reclaim of this level of $11,400 and at least a 4-hour candle closure above this level of $11,400. And if that would happen, and if we are going to see any kind of bullish flag or the retest and this kind of price action, a break and the retest to this level and holding this level again at a retest, I would really long this market at $11,400 level, okay. But for now, at this level of $10,500, I wouldn't really long this market here, okay. And if we are going to place our EMAs here, okay, what we can see here that on the daily time frame, if I would talk to you guys about on the daily time frame, we can see here that the price is already broken below the 50 EMA here. Okay, and as long as we are above this $10,000 level here, we are still intact this kind of bull trend. Okay, we are still intact in the bull market, because in the even in the biggest bull markets, okay, we see a big retracement levels as well. Okay, and those big kind of retracement levels are a very healthy retracement levels. Okay, and as long as we are above this 10,200 to $10,000 level on the weekly time frame, we are still intact in this bull market, because we could still see the wicks coming to this 200-day EMA here at $9600 level here. Okay, and also we have one kind of CME gap at this level of $9600. Okay, so if we are going to see any kind of 4-hour candle closures or 4-hour candle touches, or a 1-hour candle touches, or any kind of low time frame candle touches to this level of $9600, that wouldn't really mean that the bears has taken over into the market yet. Okay, but to be giving any kind of fair chance to the bear markets, we would need at least a weekly candle closure below this level of 10,000, below this level of $10,000 level. Okay, and that would mean that we are going to go and retest this level of 8,300, 8,500, and as even this low, these lows of $7,500 level in the market, only if we are going to break the weekly candle above this level and close the weekly candle and have a weekly candle closure below this level of $10,000 level. Okay, but as long as we are above this $10,000 level and there is no weekly candle closure below this level, we are still intact in the bull market. Okay, and about trading this market, I already have told you guys that I wouldn't really myself long this as $10,500 level, but I would love to see the price action at this level of $11,100. Okay, coming to this Ethereum here, what we are seeing here is that we are trying to reclaim this support of broken $405 level. Okay, we are still intact in this bull trend, in this bull market, as long as we are above this $376 level for the Ethereum, because if this level would be broken here, you guys can see here that we don't really have anything in between here, and we are then going to see the crash of this 270 up to $278 level, this $100 crash in the Ethereum. Okay, but for the Ethereum to remain intact in this bull market, what we need is weekly candle closure or daily candle closures above this level of $376 levels. Okay, to be intact in this bull market. We can see here that these major EMAs, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA has turned bearish for Ethereum, but guys, that is only on the 1-hour chart. Okay, we can see here that on the daily chart, we are still, the 200-day EMA would still be supporting this level of $278 level. Okay, this sorry for that, this 50 EMA would be supporting this level of $376 level here, you guys can see here. Okay, and as long as we are above this 278 $376 level and above this 50 EMA for Ethereum, we are good to be going upwards and reclaiming this new highs. Okay, and going to the next resistances of $570 levels. Okay, so that's it about Ethereum. And if I would go ahead and talk about Link here, well, what we can see here is that Link has actually broken below this major support of $13.7 level here. Okay, and I was talking to you guys in yesterday's video that if we won't be reclaiming this level of $16 here, we are good to be going to this level of $13.7 level here. Okay, and we can see here that we already did have a lot of major retests to these levels of $13.7. Okay, and with as many as retests, the level did become weak here. Okay, and as a result, it did break. Okay, what now I want to see here is that any kind of bearish price action at these levels. Okay, price getting rejected from this level, and I would really love to short this market of Link. Okay, so that's it about Link, guys. And if I would talk to you guys about EOS here, what we can see here that we have already broken below this support, and EOS is actually trying to go above this resistance level. Okay, it's trying to reclaim this resistance of $2.9 here. Okay, and we want to see this at least 4-hour candle closure above this level here to be going to retest this level of $3 again here. Okay, But if we won't be able to do that, if we are going to get rejected here from this level, we are going to see this $2.7 level here. Okay, so guys, that's it about EOS as well, and that's it about today's video, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Please give it a like button if it was, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and do it. I would really appreciate that. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys the next time.